In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a sample label in Shippo. Before you print a real label, it's smart to do a dry run to confirm your printer, label size, and layout are all working. We'll start by turning on test mode for the carrier you want to use. In your Shippo dashboard, head to Settings, then Carriers. Find the carrier you plan to test and click Edit. Check the box to enable test mode and save. With this switched on, any rates or labels you generate will be mock versions, so you won't be charged and nothing will be transmitted to the carrier. It's the safest way to verify your setup. Next, create a label just like you normally would. Go to the Orders page or create a new shipment and select Create Label. Enter a sender and recipient address. You can use dummy details for this test, as long as they're formatted like real addresses. Add your package details, including weight and dimensions. This part matters because Shippo needs those numbers to return the right rates. When the test rates appear, choose one and click Buy Label. Because you're still in test mode, Shippo will generate a sample label without charging your account. After that, your sample label will show up in your shipments list and be clearly marked as a test. Open it and download the label in the format that matches your printer setup. If you're using a standard desktop printer, a letter-size PDF works well. If you're using a thermal printer, choose the 4x6 label format. Then print it from your computer. In your print dialog, make sure the paper size and orientation match your label format. For best results, set scaling to 100% or actual size, and turn off any automatic fit-to-page options that could shrink or stretch the barcode. Now review the printed label. Check that the barcode is crisp and centered, the address fields are readable, and nothing is cut off at the edges. If you're using a thermal printer, double-check that your default label format in Shippo is set to 4x6 under Settings, then Labels and Packing Slips. If the label looks wrong, maybe the size is off, it's blurry, or parts are missing, adjust your printer's paper size, margins, or scaling, or update your label format in Shippo and print again. That's it. With test mode and a quick sample print, you can be confident that your labels will scan and print correctly when it's time to ship for real.